What is heirloom coffee? It's a term you've probably seen on coffee bags, especially Ethiopian ones. But here's the surprising truth. Heirloom coffee doesn't refer to just one variety. In fact, it can mean thousands. Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. Heirloom coffee is a label used mainly for coffee grown in Ethiopia, the birthplace of coffee. Unlike popular varieties like bourbon or typica, heirloom refers to ancient, naturally occurring coffee plants that haven't been formally classified or genetically standardized. Think of heirloom coffee like wild apples growing in a forest. Each tree is slightly different with its own flavor potential. That's exactly what's happening in Ethiopia's coffee regions. Coffee has been growing in Ethiopia for over 1,000 years. Over time, coffee plants naturally cross-pollinated and adapted to different climates, altitudes, and soils. This created an incredible genetic diversity, far more than anywhere else in the coffee world. Because there are so many unique plants, scientists haven't been able to catalog them all. So instead of listing individual varieties, exporters often label them simply as heirloom. Now here's where it gets exciting. Heirloom coffees are famous for their complex and vibrant flavors. You'll often taste floral notes like jasmine or bergamot, bright citrus, stone fruits, berries, or even tea-like qualities. No two heirloom coffees taste exactly the same, and that unpredictability is part of the magic. But heirloom coffee isn't just about flavor, it's about resilience too. This genetic diversity helps coffee plants naturally resist diseases and adapt to climate changes. That's why heirloom coffee is incredibly important for the future of coffee farming. You might be wondering, can heirloom coffee grow outside Ethiopia? Yes, but only in limited cases. Some heirloom varieties have been exported and planted elsewhere, but they rarely produce the same flavors. Ethiopia's unique soil, altitude, and climate, what we call terroir, plays a huge role in how these coffees taste. So if you see Ethiopian heirloom on a coffee bag, you're not buying a single variety. You're buying a piece of coffee history shaped by nature over centuries. In simple terms, heirloom coffee is coffee in its most original form, wild, diverse, and full of character. If you enjoy light roasts, floral aromas, and complex flavors, heirloom coffee is absolutely worth trying. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more coffee knowledge, and check the links in the description below. Because the more you understand coffee, the better it tastes.